Okay, so in chapter 16 we also look at the radio buttons, right? As the more UI controls, checkboxes, the button itself with on action. So radio buttons, checkboxes, those are extends from buttons. You add on actions and the label, right? So you can see that the label, we put a label. You can set content display to a label too. Make it to the button. So these are the hierarchies that we look at. So that's what we have covered, right? Again, parent has the control, and we look at all the controls here: labels, scroll bar, sliders, text input control, which is text area and text field, and password field that we look at. List view, combo box, base, which we look at combo box. And button base has button, checkbox, toggle box, button, which has radio button. We cover everything here. And then image view and media view, right? Image view with different images, media view. So let's look at media view again. So we say media view depending on media and media player and media view, right? So media view extends from the node. So we're going to test with our own path to the MP3 file, right? Or MP4. So I have the MP4, which we can test MP4, the videos that I record for our lecture. So that's path to the file. Now let's see if we do this. We have to create the file, because otherwise we could get exception that it cannot create a media player because the type is not the right type. There's an error showing. So what we need to do, we need to create a file, pass the string path to the file here, and then from the file you do .to_URI, and then .toString back, and then pass to media. So the application is running. It's the videos that we look at, right? This is application. Now, what happens to the control? Let's close the application first. So we may need to set the size of media view. So fit with property, set X, set Y, set fit height, say set fit width. There you go. Now we can control. Rewind. Right? So it works now. And that's pretty much the end of chapter 16.